Hello everyone. In this video, we cover this speech to text transcription with a cloud speech API. So for that, start the lab first. Open the console. Next, now password. Go back and copy this password and paste. Understand. Now the console is open. Agree the term. And continue. Now here come back and here is the task number 1. So task number 1, create a API key. So for that, in navigation menu, click on APIs and services and the credential. So here search API and services. Click on it. Then here the credential. So click on it. Now create credential API key. And just close. Now go back here and we complete the task number 1. So just click on check my progress. So we created successfully. Now the next instructions. So for that, click here, go back to the console and what are the instructions? In a navigation bar, menu, then compute engine and VM instance. So go back to the console. Here is the menu. Click on it. Then compute engine. Now here the SSH is show. So just click on it, SSH. So this browser is open now. Now minimize it, go to the lab, and now the next instruction, this. So just copy this instruction, and here if we observe, then your API key. So just change this word your API key. Instead of this, we put it our key. So how we generate the key? As a previous we see. So just now click on this, then open the shell, this browser, paste your API key. So for that, minimize it, go to the console and go back here, undo these steps. Here create credentials. So click on it, API key. Now this API key is open. So just copy this key and now close it and open the browser. Now copy here. Paste here. So Control V. This is true statement. So now enter. minimize it, go to the lab. Next, task number 2. So for that, instead of doing this critical steps, I have one code which I provided you. So please check the description box and copy it. How you copy this command properly in your notepad? So this is the first section. Here are the two sections, means two commands written in one file. So how I write this? So this whole part is run first time. Copy this and paste it in your notepad, and then make changes here. This is your API key, and change this and then run it. And second command is this one below this dotted line. So make sure you don't copy this dotted line because it is not part of the code. It just a reminder is that these are the two different commands. So first copy this upper part and then copy this lower part. Paste this command to the notepad, Ctrl V. Now change this your API key. For this code also here your API key. So just change this your API key with your key which is generated. So here you can generate the key. Copy this key on the notepad and just paste here. Now copy this whole command. Shell, paste, Ctrl V. Now only one command complete your 3 tasks. So just check the progress. So this first one we completed. Second task. So check my progress. So it is done. Now next one. Check my progress. So it is not done still, so don't worry. This task number 3 is also done. So copy the code carefully, and if not it show any points, then again run the code second time. So it definitely show. So in my case also, first time when I paste the code and run it, so my task number 3 is not show correct. This green signal is not show, but now when I run this code again, then it show properly. So now here task number 3 is done. Now task number 4. So for that the one more code. So here in this lab only 2 code we run. So the second code is now we run the second code. all both these two code I provided you in the description box, so just copy properly and hit enter. Now check the progress, so scroll down and check my progress. So we successfully complete this all the tasks. 100 out of 100. Just we check here this. So it show now 100 out of 100. So here we successfully complete the lab, and if any doubt or query, then let me know in the comment box. Thank you. But